Here we come to the elevators at the Watermark Hotel in McLean, Virginia, or Tysons, Virginia. These are some ThyssenKrupp Agile destination dispatch elevators. And we're going to 25, car B. And it'll tell you your assigned car. And we're gonna go all the way up to the top. And we're gonna come back down. So here we are, going to 25. Here we go. Here we are on 25.
Floor 25.
And gonna watch that close up. And there it goes. We're gonna go use the handicap level now.
Press button when you hear desired floor, or press twice to cancel. 1. Going to floor 1.
Quarter B.
Please proceed to elevator B. Please check floor 1.
And let's get ourselves a cab view. These are beautiful elevators. Really, really nice elevators. Hi. Capacity is 3,500 pounds. We are in car B. Has your phone. And there's only an open door close button.
Floor 1.
Here we are at 1. Y'all going up? Yes. Here you go. Watch this door close. And there goes. And now we're gonna go up to our floor and end our video from there. Car A. So 11 is the only one that's open. All the other floors are locked because you have to use your room key for it. Luckily, I'm a guest here, so I'm using my room key for car 20. But once you get to like maybe 12 or other floors, they'll probably be unlocked. But I think they're unlocked by the time we get past 11. Here we are at 20. And let's get off here. There it goes. And that'll be it.